Is now demo for bulk messaging. So for doing bulk messaging, you need to go to first bulk messaging tab, which you will find in Gupshup app. So here you need to select the lead, like object from which you want to send the WhatsApp message. Now select the list view. I will select the all open list. Now you can select any lead which you want to send the WhatsApp message. So I will select uh, this one, and I will click on send WhatsApp message. So here in the backend, if the number has been operating, then only user will receive the message. Now I will select my channel and I will select the number. I will select the phone number, and here I will select the category. And if you want to send an image, so you can select an image and upload the image right here. So you can send make it a logo, and you can click on send. It will send the bulk messaging. You can send message to the multiple people at the same time. Now uh, that is our second feature. Now if you go to campaign, you can create a campaign and add the members to the campaign, like just add leads or add contacts. So I have already added here some leads and contacts. So what I can do, I just need to go to the send Gupshup message, and then after selecting my channel and number type, I can send WhatsApp message to the campaign members also, selecting the variable and first name, last name, and you can send the WhatsApp message to the campaign members as well at the same time to all the campaign members.